Hi everyone and welcome to the video. In this one we will be discussing about how to delete jobs on LinkedIn. Now before we start, I'd like to invite you to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile that will transform your account into an income generating asset, upgrade your career and attract global opportunities. Now coming back to the video, what you need to do is simply head over to this jobs section on the top of your page and then click on that. Here you will be able to see on the left side of our screen we have this manage job posts. Click on that and now we will be directed towards our jobs section. So you can see I have recently added a job which is now in draft, so I can similarly you will be able to see different jobs that will be here that you want to delete or manage. So simply click on these three dots on the right side of your screen and here you have this delete option. So similarly, if you have any other job in here as well, you can delete them as well. So that is it for this video. I hope you got to learn something new. Do not forget to click the link in the description below to get your done for you LinkedIn profile. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like. Until next video, take care and goodbye.